Wagner Lumber Company, otherwise known as Wagner Millwork, is a hardwood sawmill. So hardwood is the kind of material you'll see in furniture, kitchen cabinets, hardwood flooring, and many other hardwood products that you use in everyday life. It all starts in the forest, and that is where we get our beginnings working with private landowners within about 150 miles from our facilities. At that point, we will work with a landowner on managing their forest for whatever reason they have to own it. From there, we select trees that are going to be harvested. We look for the most environmentally sensitive and appropriate way to harvest those trees and bring them out of the woods. And from there, we truck them to our facilities in log form, so trees cut to length. Bringing them to our facilities, we'll sort them out and we will saw them one species at a time. So the thing about the hardwood business, it's thickness and grade, quality that makes it. It's not about dimension in the way softwood lumber and framing lumber is. And then we'll take the interior of that log that's got a lot of defects and knots, and we'll put that into railroad ties and pallet cants. So that's about 25% of what we do. The industrial wood is about 25%. So that 75% around the outside of that is the really high quality, good looking lumber that you want to see in a tabletop or in a staircase or the like. From there, we'll package it up and we will ship it all over the world. And that's what we're here to supply.